afternoon. This is Angie with Bremer County Conservation. You are joining me via our GoPro out at Babcock Woods. We're in the prairie right next to the Babcock Woods right over there where we have some hiking trails. We also have some hiking trails here through our prairie. And today we're going to go out into the prairie and see what kind of insects that we can find. I see quite a few monarchs flying around out there. We're going to see if we can catch any bumblebees out there today. And let's go ahead and take an adventure together. I'll grab my net here. And here we go. If you see right ahead of me here, there is this beautiful bright orange flower. That is butterfly milkweed, and it is blooming right now. Today is August 10th, so this is something that you can go out and take a look. You can see them sometimes in our ditches even. You can see some of that butterfly milkweed. So we have a bumblebee flying around here. I'm going to keep an eye out on him, try to see if we can catch him. And here's some monarchs over here. It's a lot of fun to come out and explore in a prairie and see what kind of insects you can catch. You can hear the crickets chirping. We caught a bumblebee. So bumblebees are native to Iowa, where honeybees are not native to Iowa. And we're going to try to identify this bumblebee if we can get him into our jar. Ooh. We have them inside of our jar here. I'm going to work on keeping that net tight until I can get a lid on it. And then I'll show you on the camera here. So we caught a bumblebee here. It's ideal to catch them in a smaller jar than this. That way we can actually it will calm down and we would be able to identify it a little bit more. And this guy is very similar to one I tried to identify right when I came out here to the prairie today. And you can identify if it's a male or a female by seeing if they have a mustache. It kind of sounds funny, but males will actually have a yellow mustache, and they do not have a stinger, so you can actually hold a male bumblebee. This one, we'll see if this one can calm down. Oh, there we go. Calm down a little bit. And this one, I really worked on trying to identify this one. I could not do that, but oops, see if it will calm down again. On the back of its legs, they will go ahead and they'll have like pouches for collecting that pollen that the females will have to put that in. And this one, pretty positive it's actually a male. You can see his face a little bit better. There's a little bit of yellow on his face. So that would be a male. Hopefully this is capturing on the camera. This is my first time trying to do an insect thing with the GoPro. So excuse me if I'm a little shaky. Okay, let's let this bumblebee go and see what else we can find. See a tiger swallowtail. We're going to see if we can sneak up on it. It was right here on our butterfly milkweed. I'm going to gently take it out of the net. Oh, and look at this gorgeous thing. Whoop. Gently hold on to it. You can see the beautiful colors and the unique shape of the tail. I noticed this one in a monarch floating around here. See a little bit of the blue there. Oh, and you can see the proboscis. So that's that little tiny thing right there that's curled up. It's like a straw, and they stick it down into the flowers, and then that's how they get their nectar. And butterflies actually taste with their feet. So they'll put their feet on that flower, and they will go ahead and taste that flower, and then put their proboscis in. And then you know that it's also a butterfly because it has these knobs or nodules on the end of their antennas. That was a pretty cool find. Ooh, we have another bee hanging out around here. We also have some Japanese beetles that are around here. They're not supposed to be here. That's a very bad bug to have around. But unfortunately, we have a lot of them here. When you're walking out in a prairie, you get a whole bunch of stickers on you. Different plant seeds that are used to grabbing on and holding on to an animal's fur or our human being clothing. Got quite a few on me right now. And you can see that yellow, or that orange flower, excuse me, all around the prairie. That's where the butterflies are hanging out right now. Okay, we have switched prairies now, and we are at the prairie over by the Southeast Elementary School, and we're going to see what we can find out here. This is the same prairie that Miss Heather gave you a tour of all the different plants back in July. Right here is a good picture of a Japanese beetle. They have that iridescent color in the back. And those are the bugs that are not supposed to be here. Can you see the goldfinch right over there? Goldfinch, our state bird. There it goes flying off. It's calling out to us. Oh. That's an all black pea. The yellow is pollen.